Hey guys, can you actually see me or not? The light is absolutely shocking here. Let me close the blinds. Is that better? Okay. So hi guys and welcome to my new video. I literally, let me just put the pillow here. I haven't spoken to you guys in literally forever, and I don't like why my face is like cut off. How you doing? Right, okay, so I'm just going to do my makeup because, you know, it's what I do every time. I've got a cardigan on because the weather is very cold. And I love my cardigans at the minute. Obviously, because it's September, so I have got like a cute little tank top on. Okay, so how is everyone doing, guys? I feel like a fucking piece of shit right now. Where's my hairbrush? So today I want to talk to you, and we haven't sat down in quite a bit. It's been a long time, and I wanted to address some things. So obviously my last video, I came out to YouTube as transgender. And okay guys, so I've never spoken about this on my channel ever, like, because it's always been such a grey area. Like, a lot of people said to me, well, we already knew, and I kind of knew that. Like, my friends and family have known for years, so I'm not coming out for the first time in my life at all. Like, they've already known. I'm coming out to you guys. Yeah, coming out to you guys because you haven't known, like, well, you haven't known. Well, you have, but you obviously haven't been public about it. So I just wanted to come on here today and just tell you about what's been going on, really. And I hope the lighting is okay. I do feel kind of a sense of relief by telling you guys, because I don't know. By the way, guys, my eyebrows, do you like them? They're actually blonde. I do have brows, but people say I've got no brows. I've got blonde brows like Lady Gaga, and I just thought I'd kind of copy her. I really like them. I feel like my face looks really fat. I say that all the, do you know, I say that so often that I'm literally like, I don't know, I just say it so much. It's like literally imprinted in my brain all the time. It's so annoying. So I just feel very happy. Like, I don't know, I feel very happy to tell you guys. It has made me feel a lot better than I've ever felt. Obviously, you guys are well, you're my life. You know this by now. Sorry, I'm readjusting. You know that I do this all the time. So I just wanted to tell you about my journey, basically, because I haven't done that before. So, obviously, this is going to be really difficult talking about this because I've never done this before. So coming out, okay, so you first come out as gay. I did anyway when I was 19. And I kind of lived my life as a gay man, really, until I kind of got I would say maybe middle 20s, kind of 25, 26 is when I started to dress a bit more feminine. And progressively from then, it's just been like, it's just happened, literally. It's not something that you know, people say, well, when did you become this? When did you become that? It is like a natural process for me. It's like I was born to be this person. And that's why I always say I was born to be this way, because I was. And it's just a natural thing that's happened to me. And I literally feel so good. I have been on hormones for a long time. And I take patches, so I take estrogen patches, and they are stuck on my body, my thigh, on my buttocks. And this helps me with feminization, so facial hair, my skin is softer, my body, fat distribution slightly different. So I have obviously been on hormones for a long time. And I've been on the right path with it all, but it's just not telling you guys has been, because every time I'm on a video and I'm like really upset and I'm sad and I've got stuff going on, and I wanted to tell you, like, but because I filmed the video that I put out in last February, no, this February, and I was just too scared to put it up, guys. I really, really was. I was scared of the backlash, not because I didn't want to be who I wanted to be, because I've been living as me for a long time. I'm scared of the shit that I get on this channel, but I've realised that now I have put this video up, no one can say anything to me. No one can, I feel like my face looks so fat. No one can really say anything to me because I am who I am and I've put it out there. So no one else can actually say it back to me. So basically, I'm just me now. Like, I've told you everything that I have to tell. And I know it's not something that it's not something that I needed to tell you, but do you know what I thought? A lot of people do think that I'm keeping something from them, like a little dark secret. Like, I've had a feeling that people were asking questions, you know, and it was, I don't know, I've got nothing to hide. It's not a big deal to me. Like, it's not a huge, like, I've come out, like, it's like 1% of my life, my gender, my sexuality, you know. So now telling you about it and letting you in the journey, I can now be more authentically myself. I can speak about my feelings, how I feel, you know, the journey that I had to get here, like where I'm from. It has taken me a long time. And I want to talk to you about the NHS, how much it's failed me. I was on years worth of waiting lists to get some help on the NHS. I had to go private, guys, because the NHS was just not giving me what they needed. They were slamming doors in my faces. If you watch my videos, some things I say kind of now make sense. They were slamming doors in my faces. It was just horrible to deal with, really was. And it contributed to my mood, you know. I feel so huge. But I'm on the straight and narrow, and I have been for a long time. And I just want to let you know that I love you guys and I really appreciate you. And I just hope that this can kind of, you know, just give me some amazing content for you guys. And I want all you guys that have subscribed to my channel to be on this journey with me. I want to help trans people. I want to help LGBTQA. I want to help you all, and I want to be the advocate for you, and we can talk about it, and I'll be there for you. And I've been through so much, guys. I've been through bullying, like when I was younger, before my sexuality. I was being through so much shit, like being beaten up. I've been through a lot of shit. Obviously, you know about my eating disorder, which I'm still struggling with. It's a daily struggle, and it'll always be that. I've been going through a lot of stuff, but you know, I just feel kind of free now that I've let you guys know, and I can document it, and there's nothing that I'm keeping from you, and there's no secrets to hide, and there's no, you know, you understand how I am now. And it's been a massive breath of, I just feel like, why haven't I done it earlier? Like, by the way, guys, I have to put these on because it's so cool. I have bought some new sunglasses. I need to show you them, actually. Let me show you them. I showed you in my last video. Can I bother to get them out? Yeah, 1 second, guys. I'm going to show you something. By the way, I have no trousers on. I've just got this huge thing. And I haven't fake tanned either, so I do apologise. I'll give me a second. Okay, guys, so this is my my cute bag. This is from Nasty Gal, and I got this because Alex has got it from HRH. I had to. She's amazing. This is my cute little bag. I love it. My eyebrows. I love the look. I look like Lady Gaga, kind of alien vibes. I love that. I love it. Now Madonna's got it as well, hasn't she? Copycat bitch. So these are my sunglasses, and by the way, I've got nothing to tell you guys. I have stopped smoking. Literally, I've stopped smoking. It's been a week now that I've stopped smoking. Because I just couldn't be bothered. And also, obviously the medication that I'm on can lead to blood clots. So I've been toying with the idea for a long time, but you know what? Push comes to shove, and I just had to stop. So these are the sunglasses. They're from Airy. And I fucking adore them. One second. I love them. How fucking sick are these sunglasses? Like, wow. I feel like Lady Gaga. Poker face. Sorry, guys. It stopped recording there. I just wanted to let you know that, you know, how, you know, what's going on in my life. And obviously the NHS as well, like I said before earlier, they have failed me. I was on a waiting list for years. My mother's the only person that saved me. She spent hundreds of pounds on going private. And that's the only way that saved me. Like having to pay hundreds of pounds just to be who you are. So I can't say thank you enough to my mother. I absolutely love her. And you all know that I love my mum because you see videos of me and her and we always go for dinner and lunch and she's amazing. So, you know, it's shameful that it has to take that for you to be heard. Like, I'm not a fan of the NHS at all after what they've done. The prejudice that there is for trans people like myself is strong, really is strong. And no matter what you say, you know, no one can tell me any different. I know what's been going on because it's my life. So, doctors have slammed doors in my face. They haven't wanted to help me at all with anything, to prescribe anything. They wouldn't even look at me because there's no clinics in where I live, no gender clinics. Basically just said to me, you have to go private. Yeah, so it's disgusting, really. And it's actually getting worse. I don't think it's getting any better for people like myself. So, yeah. But anyway, ask any questions that you want down below, guys. I'm an open book and I will answer them for you. I might do a Q&A. But, yeah, I hope we can be there for each other. And I want support. I want a group. I want people that can be, you know, I just want to speak to you all now about it, you know, it's fun. So thank you all for loving me unconditionally since my channel started. And thank you to the new subscribers and for the love that everyone's shown me. Like, you have been my rock. And I'm sorry it's taken me this long to say what I should have said in the beginning, but trolls and all that, they have a lot to play with people on YouTube as well. And what I think on YouTube is when you do a video, it's like archived forever. So that's what was stopping me from actually telling you guys, because it's on a video. It's like official. It's on a channel. Whereas TikTok, by the way, look at my nails. How fucking gorgeous are those? New shape as well. Whereas TikTok, I can just say whatever and it's done. But here it's a bit more like set in stone. Anyway, guys, the weather is horrific outside. It's literally thunderstorming and all sorts. I hope you have a lovely weekend. I'm going to put this video out tonight, I think. I think so. Might not. Depends. But yeah, I love you all, guys, and thank you for the support.